Hi, welcome back to Motech Performance. I'm Mike, behind the camera is Jay. In this week's vlog, we have a C43 on IBAC springs and black MW5s. In the detailing bay, Steve's gone over an F83 M4, and we've got this stunning, brand new M4 sitting behind us on our 20-inch, 21-inch MW4 forged wheels.
So this week we've had in for detailing this stunning F83 M4 in Atlantis blue. It's come to us with just 21,000 miles on the clock and it in need of a bit of an enhancement. So we've done just that, enhancement detail to full paintwork, going through the interior as well. We've coated the paintwork itself with Crystal Serum Ultra topped with Exo, so that's given 9 years of guaranteed protection. We've gone through the wheels, took the wheels off, coated the inside barrels and faces, and we've gone round and done the whole interior. Like I said, we've gone through and done the leather coatings and also the matte coatings as well. So this car is now set to go back out on the roads, back to the customer, and let us know what you think.
So behind me we have a Sao Paulo yellow M4. Now this has been approached to us by Ashet Kits UK. He's been following us on social media and he gave us a nudge saying, car show season's coming up, I need my M4 to look a bit more Motech. So what he meant by that is he wanted a price on some 20-inch fronts and 21-inch rear wheels along with our stance kits. We offer a stance kit for the G82 M4 and it looks perfect. So this spring kit is now available for it. It's about 30mm drop all the way round. They're now in stock for all M4s, including rear wheel drive and X-Drive. But the way the car looks now, along with his kit and this Sao Paulo, he looks amazing. So we had a conversation about wheel choices and which color and then offset. So the MW4 actually comes in a raw wheel, like we sort of said previously on the vlogs, and we can pick and choose the colors we want. Satin black on this car looks amazing. I was probably gonna go with gloss, but he picked satin and it's worked really well. The good thing about satins, you can really see the detail in the wheel, you can see the cutout on the spoke, and of course, our center cap along with the forged on the wheel as well. Paired up with the Yokohama tire, they fit lovely, nice shoulder to them, not too over the top. And yet we said on previous vlogs, the Yokohama is a great tire because the sidewall is quite soft, so it does take a lot of the impact to the harshness of the ride. Look at the rear wheel. So they're 11 by 21 with a huge concave. That was one of the things the customer wanted. He wanted the wheel to look like it's tucked into the arch. We've done that on the stance springs, and the biggest dish that was available. And of course we've done that. 11.5 by 21 on the rear, and then obviously 10.5, 20 on the front. What a combination, what a good looking car. Along with, like I sort of say, CSL gloss black grille, carbon parts on our wheels, it looks stunning. Enjoy the B-roll with this one and make sure you give them a follow on socials as well.